Hi, Pure Souls. For today's spiritual latte, we're talking about being alone and using the imagination as our anchor during this time. Using my imagination to meditate was a game changer for me. It gave my mind something to return to, the script of the imagination story, one that I believed. Why I want to share this triangle story as an imagination example that we can use when we're alone to relax into a deeper state than most meditations can offer. So the triangle is represented in the church as the Holy Trinity, Father, Son, Holy Spirit, and in New Age practices, it's mind, body, soul. In many cultures, it's Father Sky, Mother Earth, and the children, us humans. In imagination meditation, I use the concept of heavens. So heavens is more inclusive of the ether, which is what we're inviting into our bodies with this meditation, this element of space, and imagining that it comes from above, and the earth, stability, and us being the third point, the culmination in this existence of being able to express both of these within us. This triangle concept, it gives our mind something to follow and use as a reference point. And many of us know that we need to meditate and don't know where to start to feel the benefits. And this one, you can feel the benefits immediately. So take another sip and find yourself in a comfortable position. I'm going to give you a little demonstration of the triangle in a meditation session. Okay, Pure Souls, so I invite you now to close your eyes for a couple moments. Bring your attention inwards and turn on your imagination. Imagine there is a beam of light above you coming from the sky. And this is a healing, cleansing light that you may invite to wash over your body. And as it does, this light relaxes you and cleanses every cell. Breathe in that sense of lightness. Allow the ease to flow right through you. Every cell, every bone, relaxing, feeling easier and easier to breathe. In this feeling of space and ease into your chest. Breathing in this light through every part of your fascia. Now bring your attention down to the solidness beneath you. Pretend that you can grow roots through your feet, or perhaps through the bottom of your spine, connecting you. Just spreading this light that has been infused into your body down into the earth. Being the vessel, feeling that solidness beneath you, that welcomed heaviness. And now breathe into the space that has been expanded now in your chest, the ease in your body. And whenever you're ready, slowly opening your eyes. That's a mini demonstration of hypnosis in a very light trance state where we use the imagination and embodiment of this triangle concept. Thank you so much for sipping your spiritual latte with me, and I hope to see you soon.